Good morning, children. Once again, welcome all of you in Maths online class. In today's video, I will explaining you means what is the today's topic. Today's topic is a multiplication of rational number and the reciprocal of rational number, or you can also say the multiplicative inverse. And before the today's topic, firstly I will explaining you one question of the exercise 4b that which was last homework. Question number 9 means I will solving here the question number 9. So look here. So what is the question here is a question is a minus 5 upon 6 minus 7 upon minus 8 11 upon 12 minus 1 upon 6 plus 0 minus 7 upon minus 16. So students, look here. Here in the two denominators given in a negative form. So how we can convert in a positive form, you know very well. So we can convert by multiplying minus 1 and what? 1 in numerator and denominator, because all these are a rational number, and you know that rational number what? When we which number we can write in a form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0. So easily we can find this number. So what is here? 6 minus 8, 12, 6, and so we can then second step will be 6 minus 7 upon 8. How? You know, multiplying by minus 1, then we get the minus 7 upon 8 plus 11 upon 12 will be same, minus 1 upon 6 will be same, and this 0, there is no need for the 0. You can, if you want, you can write the 0, otherwise no need the 0, because you know the 0 property in a multiplication, division and addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, when we add the 0 of any natural number with the 0, then we get the same number. So here no need for the write the 0, so we can write that directly minus 7 upon 16. Why 7 upon 16? Because when we multiplying minus 1 in a numerator and denominator, then we get what? 7 upon 16. Then look here, all the denominators are different. So we take the LCM of, so LCM of 6, 8, 12 and 16 is, because 6 also one again, right? So once time अगर हमने 6 write कर दिया, तो no need for the again write the 6. It will be 48. So if you listen, you find the LCM in a rough. Did you find the LCM in a rough? Yeah. Then we can write as a common denominator 48. 6 8s are 48. Same process. You know that how we can solve the fraction, and this is a rational number, so we can solve same as a fraction. So 6 8s are, then 5 multiplied by 8, 8 6s are, then minus 7 multiplied by 8 6s are, 8 6s are 48, then 7 multiplied by 6, 12 4s are, then 11 multiplied by 4, then minus 6 8s are, then minus 8, then minus 16 3s are, then it will be 23. Now 40 minus plus 42 plus 44 plus 8 minus 21. Solve करोगे, multiply 7 6 42, minus plus, so plus 42, 11 4 44, you know that, minus plus 8, then minus 21. How 21? Because 16 3s are 48, then 7 3s are 21. Then this is a minus, then minus 40 plus 42, it will be 2, then plus 44 plus 8 minus 21 upon 48, then what? 48 plus 53, 40 plus 44 plus 8, 53 plus 2, 55 minus 21 upon 52 minus 21, 48 upon 33 upon 48, then 11 upon 16 is the answer. Why 11 upon 16? Because these are numbers divisible by 3, 11 upon 16, 11 3 is 33 and 3 16s are 48. Now today's topic is, the first topic is today, what's first topic? Multiplication of rational number and reciprocal of the, or you can say the multiplicative inverse. So you know how we can find the multiplication of any rational number, same as like as a fraction. जैसे आप fraction का multiplication करते हो, वैसे आपको rational number में करते हो. Meaning is if you have two numbers, So how we can multiply? Suppose that here is given 7 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 5. The question is saying multiplying and find the product, and these are a rational number. So we know that we have to rule is what? Numerator multiplied by numerator upon denominator multiplied by denominator, means product of two rational number. Product of two rational number, it will be numerator, product of numerator and upon product of denominator. ये एक फार्मूला कह सकते हो कि how we can find the fraction or rational numbers multiplication. We can find by this rule, product of product of numerator upon product of denominator. This is a rule, and look here. So what is it here? 7 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 5. Then 7 upon 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5, means from this rule, numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator. Then observe the numerator and denominator. If any number in the numerator and denominators are divisible each other, means अगर दोनों में से कोई एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर रहा है या फिर डिवाइड कर रहा है तो उनको हम डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं तो सिंपली मल्टीप्लाइंग टू ईच अदर एंड राइट द आंसर. So 7 3 is 21, 5 2 is 10. Then we observe the last number. And what is the last number? 21 upon 10. This is the improper fraction. And you know, always we write the improper. You can say also this is the improper rational number. We always we write the in a simplest form. This number is not divisible by any same number. ये numbers किसी भी same number से divisible नहीं है. तो क्या करेंगे? आप इसको कर सकते हो कि mixed fraction में. So 10 2s are 1 upon 10, because after the division we get what? We get the 2 as a whole number and 1 as a numerator and 10. Then answer will be 2 is to 1 upon 10. Another example we take for the rational number is, suppose that is a given here 8 upon minus 5 and then multiply by 25 upon 40. 25 upon 40. Then question is saying multiplying to each rational number. So we know that how to multiply. Numerator multiply by denominator. But one thing is here. What? The denominators are given in a which form? Rational number, negative form. So firstly we write in a positive form. So it will be the minus 8, then 5 upon 40. So look here, forget the minus 8, minus को भूल जाओ, आप सिर्फ मैच करो क्या कोई नंबर्स यहां एक दूसरे से डिविजिबल हैं. यस, 5 and 25, 8 and 40. 8 1s are 8, 5s are 5, 1s are 5, 5s are. Look here again, what is we get the here? We get the minus 5 upon 5. अब minus 5 upon 5 तो मिला. 5 upon 5 is a divisible by 5. So we can write, means this is a compulsory you write the answer in a simplest form. So 5 1s are 5 1s are. ये अभी 5 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो आप इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में राइट करोगे. देन आंसर विल बी -1. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? -1. So this some examples of the multiplication. We take the another example of the multiplication, and this is the now next example of multiplication, like as this type example. What? 7 minus 7 multiply by 1 upon 49. So look here, what is here given? Minus 7 multiplied by 1 upon 49. So, and this number we can write like as, because you know that all the negative and all the positive number we can write in a rational numbers. So this is rational number now. 7 multiplied by 1 upon 1 multiplied by 49. 7 and 49 divisible? Yes, because 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7 7s are. What will you get here? 1 upon minus 1 upon 7. So some examples, these are some examples on the basis of the multiplication of rational number. बच्चों देखो, आप जैसे फ्रैक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हो वैसे ही रैशनल नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. यहाँ सिर्फ एक चीज डिफरेंट होगी, अगर डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव में है तो उसको आप पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट कर लो, और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आप जानते हो कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे. मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय -1. So this was all about for the multiplication, and now next topic is reciprocal of the. So how we can write the reciprocal of rational number, and what is the reciprocal of rational number? So reciprocal of the rational number is how we can write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you can say the inverse or opposite. Inverse or opposite means, so like this, 7/3 is given here. 7/3. The question inside saying that write the reciprocal of the 7/3. Just you can change the numerator, means numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator, means numerator डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा, न्यूमेटर. सो जो आपको प्रोडक्ट जो भी नंबर्स मिलेगा वो क्या होगा, इसका रेसिप्रोकल. सो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड, सो व्हाट इज द 3/7. सो यू कैन से 3/7 इज द reciprocal of the 7/3. Another example, like as the -8. The question is saying write the -8 reciprocal. So how we can write the -8 reciprocal? Keep in mind we have no in reciprocal of the 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So -1 -8, how we can write the -8 reciprocal? So firstly, -8 we can write as a fraction rational number. So this is a rational number form. Then what? There is a rule. Numerator write as a denominator and denominator write as a numerator. Sign keep there. Sign place will be same. Then -1/8. -1/8. So this is the all about for the today. And today's topic, you know what was the topic? Multiplication of rational number and reciprocal of rational number. If any problem, then I again repeat or again re-explain in the next video of the reciprocal, and in the next video I will explain you the division of rational number, and once again I will explain, don't worry, once again I will explain the reciprocal of the rational number or multiplicative inverse. So this was all about for today. Now today's homework is a SW solve the exercise 4C, question number 1. So this was all about for today, and thank you and take care.